Hi there everyone. Welcome to Ted's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an incredibly delicious, simple recipe that can be sure to impress anyone that you want to impress. Alright folks! Today we're going to be using very simple ingredients that you can find at any supermarket or farmer's market. Alright, we're going to start off with some water. Oops. That's the cleaning supplies. We're just gonna put it on the stove. And now we wait. Alright, I'll just pull it out of the water. You gotta just crack them over one another. Oh, this one's medium rare. I like mine medium rare. That's one. Alright, we're just gonna cut this up now. I'm gonna take out my knife here. Sometimes I like holding it and thinking about things. Yeah, just like that. It slid right in. Now we're just gonna add a little salt. Just like Mother used to make.